Hi everyone, welcome to BSL channel. My name is Sina. Many customers don't know how the BSL's lithium battery are produced. Today I will show you our automotive production line, and then you can know how the batteries are produced and why choose BSL. Here is our automotive production line. I will show you the procedure one by one. The first is the 6x6 robot loading and OCV testing. The robot will put the A-grade cell in here, and then the OCV testing machine will sort the cells by testing the cell voltage and internal resistance, which divides the cells with the voltage and internal resistance in the same range together to ensure the stability of the battery. The second is the automotion module tightening. The machine will automatically change the direction of the cell to correspond to the positive and negative poles of the cells to ensure the cells are in the right place. Then the worker will scan the cell's QR code to generate the pack's QR code, which can check the information of the pack, such as the cell's brand, voltage, capacity, production time, and production managers, and so on. In the third step, polarity detect addressing. The machine scans the cell's QR code and positive and negative position to locate the waiting points of the packs and CCS plate. Then the worker installs the CCS plate to the battery packs, and then puts it in the basket laser weighting machine, which has two weigh ends. It can work together to improve efficiency. The weighing machine power is 6,000 watts, and 3,000 watts is enough for actual use. Excessive power will damage the cells. After weighing, we will carry out the EOL test. This machine will test the battery pack's voltage and internal resistance again, and all the battery data will be uploaded and will be retained in the BSL systems for 8 years. Finally, our worker will assemble the battery packs, BMS, and case into the whole battery. With the increasing application of the lithium battery in solar energy storage scenario, the safety, quality, and stability are often concerned by our customers. For safety and quality, we choose A-grade cells from big brands, which is a basic guarantee for the safety and quality of finished batteries. For stability, it is necessary to using the battery aging equipment for testing. This is our aging test room. For 15.2 voltage, 100 ampere rack multi-lithium batteries, which can test 400 pieces each day. This equipment will test the battery's charge and discharge function. The progress is full charge, then discharge to SOC 10%, and final charge to SOC 50%. If the battery without any problems, it will be sent to the packing area. This is our battery sales warehouse. We have 2 battery sales warehouses, and this is one of them. For safety and quality, we choose the top 3 battery cell supplier and A-grade cells. All battery cells will be placed in the constant temperature and humidity warehouse to maintain stability. BSL is devoted to providing the best solution for lithium battery. If you need a lithium battery solution for residential, commercial, and industrial, contact us. We will never let you down.